Hi everyone, I did my action assignment on self-checkout registers at grocery stores. So some grocery stores you can actually find these machines are Walmart, Target, Kroger, and I believe other grocery stores are starting to use these machines. Why are stores using these machines? Stores are using these machines because it's meant for customers to have a faster experience. And also, it allows for employees to help or to do another task. Because during the pandemic, a lot of people didn't want to work because, they were afraid of getting sick. And now, with having these machines that allow companies or stores to better help customers because they don't have the staff to help out. And this is, as you could see in the image, this is self-checkout at Target. Here is also an image of Walmart self-checkout register. I've actually used it yesterday while I was doing groceries because my local Walmart here only has about maybe 2 registers that you can go to and maybe about 40 self-checkout registers. It seems though that the lines are getting shorter and shorter. People are starting to understand the machines more, and because they have to use it all the time, they're used to using it. So self-checkout registers, how they work, there's instructions on the screen, or you can press the screen or just start scanning the items. And you do have to look for the barcode on the items to scan. The features and characteristics of these registers are they're touch screens, there's scanners, there's a scale to weigh produce, there's also an option to cancel items but with assistance, electronic payment keypad where you can use debit, credit card, gift card. Then there's also a money slot to insert cash. There's a camera recording to see your transaction. And then there's also a handheld scanner for bigger, heavier items or just for convenience. So with the user experience, it's very convenient. It's very interactive. It allows for faster transaction. People can go at their own pace. Some people complain about having errors during their transactions. And then there's some people that are just lazy and doesn't have the patience to learn and use this new technology, and they would ask for assistance. And then sometimes there's people that think the workers are slow and that themselves can do a better job. Which is true. I think so because you can go at your own pace and you can be in and out of the store depending on, how fast you go. You don't have to wait on anyone. Sometimes associates they need a manager or supervisor to help them out, or they can't find a price. You might have the same issues too at the self-register, but at least this way, if you want, you can just say, cancel the item or something like that. These registers, are they easy to use? I think so. They are easy to use and they are touch screens, so you can touch a screen or start scanning the items. And before, like I said, you can find the barcodes on the items to scan. Now, some tips for making self-checkout smoother, you can use them for smaller shopping trips. You can avoid items that'll need assistance from an associate. Also, you can check what type of payment is accepted at these self-checkout machines, and then also keep heavy items in your cart. And also, you can get produce items ahead of time before checkout. Like while you are in the produce section, you can probably write down or take a picture of the produce number. Now, sometimes you do come across these long lines, but like I said, I think it's gotten better. Or maybe it's just the time I decide to go to the store because I go early, so the lines might be shorter because it's not as busy. But why lines could be long is that this technology is new to people, so it'll take time to get used to it. People might have to read or navigate to touch a screen. That takes up time. People can have a full cart of groceries. Sometimes items are scanned twice and they need assistance. Sometimes people don't read or don't want to learn and ask for assistance, or they ask for assistance right away, so they have to wait because usually there's only one person. My local Walmart, there's only one person to help out each section of registers, self-checkout registers, and there are about, I'd say maybe about 20 machines per one associate. And then sometimes people might have disabilities that can alter their experience, and they might also need some help with the self-checkout machines. I have kids, and sometimes, my daughter, she does want to scan items too, and I let her do it, but I have to watch her and let her take her time so that items aren't scanned twice, and then I will, wouldn't need help from associate. Also looking up fruits and vegetables to be weighed, that can make long lines. Waiting for assistance because there's not enough workers. And also sometimes there might not be enough self-checkout machines. Sometimes some of the machines are down and it's less machine and there's more people. Some things to improve. Actually, I believe most of self-checkout machines have these options to pay, but with Walmart, they should add Samsung, Apple, Google, or any other pay method because Walmart actually disabled these features because they want you to use the Walmart Pay mobile app. Another thing to improve is they should constantly update price in the system since the list price of items are always changing. And shopping at Walmart, they're always having clearance and their prices are always changing, but it's not updated in the system. I think they should add more machines, make sure all the machines are up and running, make sure they take good care of the machines. I know they do cost money. And then cleanliness of machine, they should clean the machines and have bags stocked so, people can go in and out of the store. And these are just some references of where I got my information. Thank you everyone for watching my presentation.